Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a fan of Microsoft OneNote, you know how essential it is for organizing your notes, ideas, and projects. In this video, we'll walk you through how to change the OneNote layout in the 2025 version. It's a simple process that can make your digital notebook feel more personalized and efficient. Whether you're switching from a basic grid to a ruled page or adjusting for better readability, this update makes it easier than ever. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of OneNote installed on your device. Open the app and select the notebook you want to edit. Once you're in, head over to the View tab at the top of the screen. This is your gateway to customizing how your pages look. Now, let's dive into the steps. Step 1. In the View tab, look for the Page Setup section. Click on it, and you'll see options like Rule Lines or Paper Size. For example, if you want to switch to a lined layout, select Rule Lines and choose from the drop-down menu. Options include narrow, wide, or even graph paper. Step 2. If you're looking to change the overall page color or background, go back to the View tab and select Background. You can pick from predefined colors or even add an image for a custom feel. This is great for visual learners who want their notes to stand out. Step 3. Don't forget about the section or notebook level. Right-click on a section in your notebook sidebar. Then choose Section Properties to tweak layouts specific to that area. For instance, you can adjust the page margins or orientation here. Step 4. Once you've made your changes, preview them by scrolling through your page. If something doesn't look right, you can always undo or tweak it further. Pro tip: save your custom layouts as templates for future use by going to Insert, and then Page Templates. This saves time in the long run. And there you have it. Changing the OneNote layout in 2025 is straightforward and can transform how you work. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.